ano to si Joanna. Image mo wala na.
Baka na-scam na kami ng blooms namin kasi blooms namin delusional. So, yeah. Pasta! Yay! May video na ako! Umupo lang ako! Tulog ako yung tikat mo. I'm a solo stan. Okay, there you go. It's mine! I love me.
Wake up! Gising na! Sorry! Joke lang. Kilala ko. Sikat. Artista. Idol mo! Crush mo! Crush mo! Crush mo! Crush mo! Crush mo!
Magtago ka sa likod.
What can you feel? Are you happy?
Yes.
The monster under your
Huwag
bed.
yung ilalagay sa caption na may Joanna sa akin.
Huwag yan ah.
Huwag yung ilalagay sa caption.
Sige, sige.
Kunwari walang
I
nakapansin.
feel so miserable
Really?
right now.
Because of her?
Yeah.
Backtrack here. Ikaw ang nakipagkaibigan sa akin kasi walang gustong makipagkaibigan sa'yo. The truth is, you needed me more than I.
Pardon? One more please? I cannot comprehend your emoji.
Wait, why don't we backtrack here? Ikaw ang nakipagkaibigan sa akin kasi walang gustong makipagkaibigan sa'yo. The truth is, you needed me more than I.
Hold up.
Inulit.
I didn't befriend you. Okay? I was just minding my own business. You're not my friend. She's my friend. So, I don't know you. Okay? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Sagutin mo siya, Tilis.
Ate Sheena!
Oh, yeah, I'm your friend. Imogen is my best friend. That's not our friend, okay? That's the monster under your bed.